Becky. Here we go again, another week, and well into July now. Summer's finally come, I think. Had so much rain, very little sun. Flowers definitely need the sun. Anyhow, moving on. So today's programme for next week, we've got 3 lots of 10s and 3 groups all together in there. So the first of all, we're going to do a right bent over narrow grip to wide grip row. So well, it's quite a tough one, this. You can use the kettlebell, which is quite hard because it's, although it's 10 of each way, so it's quite hard. So you could use a chair, grab a kettlebell. This is quite hard because you're going to do narrow and then wide. Okay, so just so that you can see a bit better. So narrow and then wide. So you're trying to target this behind here when you do the wide. If you struggle with that, you could use the 3 because it makes it really quite easy with the 3. It's not that difficult. Alternatively, this might be the better option for you, is to use your band, one of the bands, stand on one end of it, hold it quite low down so you've got some tension in there, and then just do it this way. Make sure you keep your bottom up, straight back, and then you can go narrow and wide, narrow, wide. Okay, so it looks like this. Narrow and wide. Okay, so that's right side. 10 each way. So narrow to wide is 1, and so on. We're going to do right squat, lock to lunge with a lateral front raise. So same thing with the counting. So I'm going to go out to the side, out to the front. Okay. So that's 1, 2, and so on. So 10 on the right side. You're then going to repeat all of these on the left side. So left bent over, narrow to wide, and then the left squat to lunge with lateral to front raise. 3 lots of 10s. You're then moving on. We're going to do a side bend to shoulder press. It's slightly different to what I've done here. You're going to hold, first of all, hold the kettlebell in your right hand, weight in your left. Okay, normally I've got you doing that one, but you're going to alternate it, so you're going to go down to the side and then up to the shoulder press. That's 1, 2, okay, 3, and so on. Right side, you then just grab hold of your weights, both of them. And then do 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock or 1 o'clock to 11 o'clock, it really doesn't matter, lunge. So just the right leg first of all, over that side. Sorry, I didn't do that very well, start again. Over there, and then straight over to the other side and back. So there, there, and back. That's 1, and so on. And then, guess what, you're going to repeat it all on the left side, alternate. Side bend to shoulder press, and then 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock lunge on the left leg, or 1 o'clock to 11 o'clock, it doesn't matter. 3 lots of 10s for those. We've then got alternate sit-ups with a punch to reverse crunch. So this one, it's warm in here today, boiling. Okay, just went to Sainsbury's. Well, it wasn't busy, but the queues for the checkouts were for some reason. Okay, anyhow, not ranting. So, sorry, let's do that again. So you're going to do your sit up, and then and then up. So there, out and up. Okay, that's it. So that's 1, 2, and so on. And glute raises to leg extension. So hands and knees. So glute raises, just bent knee, heel up to the ceiling, swing it back, straight out, level with your back, swing it back, up, swing it out. So that's 1, 2 and so on. We've got alphabet reverse crunch. I don't think I've done the alphabet before with you. So you're going to lie down. So we do 10. So you do A to J, I think is 10. Okay. So you just do the alphabet. You want to get a nice, good range of movement here. So you're going to do your letter A, letter B, really swing it round, letter C, letter D, and so on, like that. And then next time you do it, just do J to T, I think it is, and then the third set just do K to T, and then the third set just do U to Z, and then I think the first 4 letters of the A to D, I think it is. I think that works out. And then we've got back raises with a little pulse in there just to slow it down. So line in front, and little pulse, and then back down. Okay, and 10 of those. So that's 3 lots on those. Okay. If you want to do the bits in the middle where I've got the boxing round to make it a little bit more, which I think you can see, what you can do with those is just to grab your weight, okay, and just punch up to the ceiling for 20. So that's 1 and 2 and so on. Deep star jumps, or just do deep star stretches. Okay. Do it with the weights if you want. Lunges with alternate arm punch using the weights again. So punch it out. I can't do it with that one. pretend I've got the weight in that one. Like that. So okay, and so on. And then ski jumps. Actually, what you could just do is just little taps side to side. Okay, so that's optional for you. Anyhow, good luck with that, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.